Hi, I'm Ben Wylie, Senior Product Manager here at ChargePoint Technology at Interphex 2019. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of our booth. So what we have here is our full range of high containment and sterile split butterfly valve transfer solutions. So on here we've got a range of sizes from 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch to satisfy different volumes of transfer. We've also got on display our brand new fully disposable charge bag packaging coupled with our new fully disposable single-use passive half of the valve. We have here also our FarmSafe Pro, which is providing containment performance down to extremely low nanogram levels. It has a integrated extraction system which is achieved in conjunction with this remote mobile extraction skid, which contains a couple of safe change HEPA filters to take care of those highly potent compound particulate. Okay. On this side of the booth, we've got our fully aseptic, we call it our Aseptic Safe Bio, which achieves a validated 6-log reduction to give users a fully aseptic solution for sterile powder transfers. We also have our new Verify monitoring system here, which gives customers that peace of mind and overall highly integral system. Here we've got some of our accessories. We've got a full range of containers in different volumes, such as these stainless steel ones here. We've got plastic bottles also, in conjunction with our plastic single-use bags. We also have various accessories that gives customers the ability to clean, wash, sterilize, and perform a variety of different tasks in line with their production requirements, which altogether makes the valves much more useful, obviously, in daily production life. Here we now have our brand new Series 3 design, which on an automated version like this has the added benefit of giving users the ability to remove the actuators away from the valve quickly without any tools. So the product contact parts of the valve can be safely removed without the need to remove any of the wiring and sensors, etc., coupled to the valve. So this is a really nice, neat system, allows for quick changeovers, and like I say, gives customers the ability to do things in an altogether more convenient way. And then finally, over here we've got a fully automatic Disclock split valve, which is specifically designed for really high volume transfers, and again still performs these really high containment performance levels that our pharmaceutical customers require. So that's the tour of our booth, ChargePoint Technology. If you'd like to know any more information, visit thechargepoint.com or swing by booth 3033.